Hi everyone, this time on Mountain Balak, we decided to take you on a tour to one of India's most famous and largest mosques, the Jama Masjid, also called as the Masjid-e-Jahanuma. It is located in central Delhi, and if you want to reach here, you can take a metro to the Chandni Chowk metro station and then a public transport to reach the masjid, which is 1 to 1.5 km away. It is also walking distance from the old Delhi railway station and 4 km from the new Delhi railway station. The Jama Masjid was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1644 and 1656. The mosque has three great entry gates, 4 towers and two 40-meter high minarets constructed of strips of red sandstone and white marbles. The mosque has a huge courtyard that can accommodate up to 25,000 people. You can visit Jama Masjid anytime between sunrise and sunset, but the entry of women is restricted after 6 pm. You can enter the mosque through any of the three gates. Talking about my experience, it was one of the most peace-giving places I've ever been to. As soon as you enter through the gates to the courtyard, all the chaos comes to an end, and no matter how many people you have around, you have a feeling of solidarity. Inside, it takes a 40 rupees ticket to go up to the Minar, which gives you a panoramic view of Delhi 6, which is the Red Fort and Chandni Chowk market. If you come to Delhi sometime, Jama Masjid is a must-visit place.